Watermelon is more than just a refreshing summer fruit. It's a potential powerhouse for enhancing health, vitality, and even your intimate life. In this text, we'll explore how watermelon can act as a natural alternative to Viagra, the science behind its benefits, and how to use it effectively to boost blood flow and improve overall sexual health. By the end, you'll be amazed at what this humble fruit can do for you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and natural remedies. The science behind watermelon's benefits. Watermelon isn't just a hydrating fruit packed with vitamins and minerals. It contains a unique compound called citrulline, which plays a key role in boosting blood circulation. Citrulline is an amino acid that, when consumed, gets converted into arginine in your body. Arginine is another amino acid that helps produce nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and improves blood flow. This process is similar to how Viagra works, as it increases blood flow to specific areas of the body, enhancing performance and stamina. The big difference: watermelon is natural, affordable, and free of synthetic chemicals. Why choose watermelon over Viagra? 1. Natural and safe. Watermelon is a fruit with no synthetic chemicals, making it a safer choice for most people. It also avoids potential side effects associated with Viagra, such as headaches, flushing, or nausea. 2. Affordable. Viagra can be expensive, especially for regular use. Watermelon, on the other hand, is budget-friendly and widely available in grocery stores. 3. Additional health benefits. Aside from enhancing blood flow, watermelon is packed with nutrients like vitamin C, vitamin A, and potassium, all of which contribute to overall health and vitality. 4. No prescription needed. Unlike Viagra, which requires a prescription, watermelon is a natural remedy that doesn't require a doctor's visit. How to use watermelon as a natural Viagra alternative. If you want to harness the power of watermelon for its Viagra-like effects, here are a few simple ways to incorporate it into your routine. 1. Eat it fresh. The easiest way to enjoy the benefits of watermelon is by eating it fresh. Make sure to include the white part of the rind, as it contains the highest concentration of citrulline. Aim to eat at least 2-3 cups of watermelon daily for noticeable results. 2. Make watermelon juice. Blend fresh watermelon, including the rind, to make a delicious and nutritious juice. You can add a splash of lime or mint for extra flavor. Drink a glass of watermelon juice 30-60 minutes before engaging in intimate activities for maximum effect. 3. Create a watermelon smoothie. Combine watermelon with other citrulline-rich fruits like cucumber or pomegranate. Add a scoop of protein powder for an energy boost. This smoothie can act as a pre-workout drink or an intimate health booster. 4. Incorporate watermelon extract. If eating watermelon daily isn't convenient, consider using watermelon extract supplements, which concentrate the citrulline content. Follow the recommended dosage on the supplement label. Tips for maximizing watermelon's benefits. 1. Pair with a healthy diet. Combine watermelon consumption with a diet rich in leafy greens, lean proteins, and whole grains. Avoid processed foods and excess sugar, which can negatively impact blood circulation. 2. Stay hydrated. Proper hydration enhances blood flow and boosts the effects of watermelon's nutrients. 3. Exercise regularly. Physical activity improves overall cardiovascular health, amplifying the benefits of watermelon. Focus on exercises like walking, cycling, or swimming to boost circulation. 4. Limit alcohol and smoking. Excessive alcohol and smoking can hinder blood flow, reducing the effectiveness of watermelon's natural properties. Who can benefit from watermelon? Watermelon is a great choice for men looking to improve performance naturally. individuals seeking a safe alternative to prescription medications, anyone aiming to boost blood circulation and overall cardiovascular health. However, it's important to note that while watermelon can help improve blood flow and support sexual health, it is not a guaranteed cure for conditions like erectile dysfunction, ed. For persistent issues, consult a healthcare professional. Additional health benefits of watermelon. Aside from its potential Viagra-like effects, watermelon offers a range of health benefits. 1. Improved heart health. The citrulline in watermelon supports healthy blood pressure levels, reducing the risk of heart disease. 2. Enhanced athletic performance. Watermelon juice can reduce muscle soreness and improve exercise performance due to its ability to boost blood flow and oxygen delivery to muscles. 3. Rich in antioxidants. Watermelon contains lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps fight inflammation and oxidative stress. 4. Hydration. With over 90% water content, watermelon is an excellent way to stay hydrated, especially in hot weather. 5. Boosted immune system. The vitamins A and C in watermelon help strengthen the immune system, keeping illnesses at bay. 6. Better skin and hair. The vitamins and antioxidants in watermelon contribute to glowing skin and healthy hair. Precautions when using watermelon. While watermelon is generally safe for most people, keep these points in mind. High sugar content. If you have diabetes or are watching your sugar intake, monitor how much watermelon you eat. Allergies. Rarely, some individuals may have a watermelon allergy. Stop consumption if you notice any adverse reactions. Creative ways to enjoy watermelon. If you're looking for new and exciting ways to include watermelon in your diet, try these ideas. 1. Watermelon salad. Combine watermelon cubes with feta cheese, mint leaves, and a drizzle of balsamic glaze for a refreshing salad. 2. Grilled watermelon. Lightly grill watermelon slices for a smoky twist on the classic fruit. 3. Watermelon popsicles. Blend watermelon with a bit of honey and freeze in popsicle molds for a healthy summer treat. 4. Watermelon salsa. Mix diced watermelon with jalapenos, onions, and cilantro for a sweet and spicy salsa. 5. Frozen watermelon cubes. Freeze watermelon cubes and use them as ice cubes in drinks for a fruity twist. Why watermelon could be a game changer. Using watermelon as a natural Viagra alternative is not just about improving blood flow, it's about adopting a holistic approach to better health. By incorporating this nutrient-rich fruit into your diet, you'll not only enhance your intimate life but also boost your energy, vitality, and overall well-being. Conclusion. Watermelon is a delicious, natural, and effective way to support blood circulation and improve sexual health. Its citrulline content offers similar benefits to Viagra without the potential side effects or high costs. Whether you choose to eat it fresh, make juice, or blend a smoothie, watermelon is an easy and enjoyable addition to your daily routine. Give it a try and see how this amazing fruit can transform your health and vitality. And don't forget, consistent, healthy habits go a long way in achieving lasting results. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more natural health tips and remedies. Let us know in the comments, have you tried watermelon as a natural alternative? What were your results?